Some of those new homes that you see being built in some of these neighborhoods, they have like this ability to leave a package and leave it behind something. Like that's the one thing I get so worried about.
Yes.
When you get something from Amazon or whatever it might be, the package is just there, waiting for somebody to steal it. Imagine if you could use
Hmm.
technology to make sure that that package is going to be safe and waiting for you when you get home. Well, our next guest is taking care of that for you.
Yeah, he's thought a lot about it, as a matter of fact. Ron Carter is the founder and CEO of 1AheadTechnologies, joining us now to talk all about tech and home security. Ron, welcome to the show. It's so nice to meet you.
Well, thank you for having me.
You bet. Say, let's just start with home security and tell us a little bit about your background because you have years in the industry and you've been involved in a lot of different products.
Well, and then I'll age myself tremendously. I began my career in city government and retired in 2004 and developed a device to assist my mom who'd had hip surgery to see who was at the door. And back in 2003, if you remember, we were still in a stage called dial up. So the technology worked. However, it took a day to get an image. And so,
Yeah,
I realized that it was just a matter of time we would have the ability to stream. And so the solution predated the technology by about 4 or 5 years. And that enabled me to secure the patent. And so
fantastic.
now, today, we know of that technology. Probably the most successful brand in the marketplace is a brand called Ring, but every security company has some type of video surveillance device.
Yeah. And well, you're seeing cameras almost at every front door nowadays. It's very, everyone's worried about Big Brother. We were the brother. Whatever the case. I have cameras. I have a security camera right there. I got one behind me. There's all over the place. You have an invention that you're going to be releasing at CES, which, by the way, we're excited that's finally coming back. That's going to blow
Yay.
people's minds. Can you let us in and let us know a little bit about what we're going to see?
Oh yeah, we're very excited. We've taken the technology just a step further. We have introduced artificial intelligence into the component as one of the features, perhaps the foundational feature that will enable the technology to do far more than just a dormant type video doorbell. Then we
Hmm.
also introduced a component that allows you to simply take a picture or use an image for access.
Mm-hmm.
You can pull an image from your phone. You can take a picture of your friend or one of your children or your dog. And when that image is displayed at the door, it will provide you access. What's unique about
Hmm.
that is that for ages we've always had metal keys or an access that's based on what's called near field communication, where the images are close in proximity. But for the first time, we're using an image reader that can actually read an image. Just to give you an idea, my engineer was just toying around and took a picture of his big toe. And I'm like, what in the world is this? He says, I know that this can't be duplicated. And, just joking around, but that's another feature of the technology.
Well,
Last but
I,
not least,
yeah.
go ahead.
yep.
No, I was going to say
Yeah,
keys. I
no.
mean, there's bumps. There's like 5 or 6 bumps in a key. You can fish that out in 30 seconds. Get inside a key. You can't
Yeah.
find that picture of the big toe that was just taken and put to the. You can't just find that on the internet. If you send it to that one person, that's like the one key in the world.
Absolutely, and it
Right.
doesn't have a digital footprint, so it
Yeah.
goes
Well, that's a toe print.
potentially go
Go
way
print.
beyond
Yeah.
our technology. But last but
So,
not least, what we're most excited about is we have integrated robots with the entry management system, which will enable, for the first time in history, an opportunity to mitigate a threat, as opposed to just simply receive an alarm or video image. We call the
hmm.
alarm a notification, and the image is just a verification. So the camera and the alarm, for ages we've called security, and
Yeah.
it's not been security. So with the integration of robots, particularly an aerial robot, which we call a drone, now we're able to um, kind of begin to mitigate crime, mitigate events. And so
Hmm.
that's what we're most excited about. So in this one device, you have support for e-commerce and and mail order.
Hmm.
And you
Yep.
also have new access capability that's networkable, where let's say you have the plumber coming by, you can just simply send him a key and then the security all in one package.
It
Nice.
could really change our lifestyles. Ron, thank you so much for joining us. We've run out of time. Real quick
Oh,
before we go, when is this product going to be available?
yeah, we're hoping to bring it online the fourth quarter of 2022. Unfortunately, we've run into delays with chipsets and things of
Oh
that
yeah,
nature.
chips
So
are hard to
hopefully
come
that
by.
doesn't delay us too long. But we're excited about bringing it online in 2022.
I'll tell you. You know what? There was an old AT&T commercial from way back in the day. They're like, in the future, you'll do this and you'll do that. And 40 years
Uh-huh.
later, like it's all coming true and then some. It's incredible what you've done. Congratulations, and we look forward to
Nice
seeing
to meet
seeing
you.
it in the
It's
at
been my
CES.
pleasure. Thank you for having me.
All right, take care of yourself. If you want to learn more about One Ahead Technologies, go to oneaheadtechnologies.com.